Sup guys, welcome back to another new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how we can find a woodland mansion in Minecraft, and this works for all versions. Finding a woodland mansion is actually pretty straightforward, so let's get started. So the first step is you'll need a woodland explorer map, which you can only be obtained from a cartographer village. Therefore there are two ways to get one. The first is to cure a zombie villager and convert it into a cartographer. And the second is to find a village, locate a cartographer. You can identify them with their monocle as they have a single lens glass. If you can find a village but no cartographer, don't worry, you can create one. So I'm going to show you in a second. So first you need a cartography table. So for that, let me just get a crafting table. So for that, you're gonna need some planks of wood, and you're gonna need paper. So you're gonna need four planks of wood, and then two paper. You can easily get a cartography table. Now you're gonna place this cartography table next to a villager. Start learning. Let's try again. Okay, this one already has a profession, so let's find another village. Okay, so I've already found a cartographer, so we don't need to create one. So I'm just gonna start making trades with them. So let's go. We're gonna wait a few seconds and then do the trade again. Okay, now for glass pane. Gonna wait a few seconds and then do it again. Here we can see we found a Woodland Explorer map. I'm just gonna buy it. And there we go. We have already found a Woodland Explorer map. So our next step is how to get there using the Woodland Explorer map. So basically, as we can see, this is our map. And so what we need to is find directions. So let me just tell you before direction a few things. The house icon shows the location of the Woodland Mansion, and the white circle at the middle right side of the map shows where you're currently positioned. So in this example, we're currently on the east of the house. So basically, we need to go to the west towards the house. So there's a few methods by which we can see which direction we're facing. The first is we can easily see the sun. As we can see, the sun is currently setting and it's going down, and the sun usually rises in the east like in real life, except the pocket edition in which it rises in the north. So as we know, it rises in the east and sets in the west, so that means this is the west direction. And another way, let me just set the time to noon again. Yes, this is currently the sun. So basically, another method is you can just destroy a sunflower. Okay. Anyway, basically, the sunflowers show the direction to which the sun is, and usually that's east. You can also use the moon in the same method, and the most effective method is you can just press F3, and you can see here where the XYZ block and chunks are, and below them, and there's a thing called facing, and here it shows that I'm facing east. And so if I turn right here and then press F3 again, I'm facing west. So I'm just gonna go from here. So let's go in this direction and use the cartography table. Apparently, according to the maps, we're going a little bit north. So I'm gonna go to the left, Then let's start again. Keep on doing this till we reach the house. Okay, so we can see after traveling to the Woodland Mansion, we can see our white dot in the map has gotten closer to it. And you see, the thing is, once it moves onto the map area, continue traveling in that direction. Eventually, after significant travel, you'll reach the mansion. This journey of mine took about 6,500 blocks. It can variate between players to players. And pro tips to travel fast is either use a horse, or for better, you can use an elytra. And that's pretty much for this guide. I hope you like this video. If you like, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.